हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस मियाओ।
Wake up, wake up, the new day is here. Morning light, shining so clear. It's time to start the day with yummy breakfast. Hooray! Eat the toast, drink your milk. Fruit so sweet. Breakfast makes your day go free. Bananas, apples, grapes so round, eggs and cheese, the best I've found. Cereal bowl with milk so white, gives you energy, feel so bright. Eat your toast, drink your milk. Fruit so sweet. Breakfast makes your day go free. Now we're happy and ready to go off to school with a great big glow.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो